Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you.
Hello kids, very good morning to all of you.
Here is your Ruchika ma'am.
Here is your Anubha ma'am.
So kids, how are you all?
I hope you are fit, fine and cheerful.
Very nice kids. Okay, अच्छा हम लोग डे कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं? By worshipping our God. So for that, quickly stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. First, we'll start Namokar mantra. नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सेद्धाणं नमो अयर्याणं नमो उज्जायाणं नमो लोए सव्यसाहुणम् ऐसो पंचणमोकारो सव्यपावपणासणो मंगलाणं च सवेसी Paramam Havai Mangalam. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwarai. Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha, Tatsavitur Varenyam. Bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo nam prachodayam. Okay kids, now slowly open your eyes, hands down. So ma'am, do we feel relaxed?
Yes ma'am.
Okay kids, now tell me kids, what is the date today?
Today is 11th December 2020.
Today is 11th December 2020. And what is the day today?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. Okay kids, you all have to remember date and day every day. Okay? Okay kids, do you remember what we have done in our previous class?
We learned about domestic animals.
Okay, domestic animals. Domestic animals कौन सा animals होते हैं?
Domestic animals वो होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं.
Okay, जिन्हें हम पालते हैं. वो कौन से animals होते हैं? Domestic animals. Okay, kids. चलिए हमने लास्ट क्लास में जो domestic animals रिवाइज की करे थे ना, आज हम उनको वापस से करेंगे. Okay, kids. So look at the picture. Which animal is this? Which domestic animal is this?
This is a cow.
This is a cow. अच्छा cow को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं हम?
Cow को हिंदी में गाय बोलते हैं.
And what is the baby of a cow called?
The baby of a cow is called calf.
Okay, cow के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Cow के बेबी को calf बोलते हैं.
And where does cow live?
Cow lives in a shed.
Cow कहाँ पे रहती है?
Cow shed में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a cow?
The sound of a cow is moo moo.
Cow की sound क्या होती है?
Cow की sound moo moo होती है.
Okay kids, and what cow gives us?
Cow gives us milk.
Cow हमें क्या देती है?
Cow हमें milk देती है जिससे हम strong होते हैं.
Yes kids. Okay. Now look. And which domestic animal is this?
This is a buffalo.
Okay, this is a buffalo. Buffalo को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Buffalo को हम हिंदी में भैंस बोलते हैं.
And what is the baby of a buffalo called?
The baby of a buffalo is called calf.
Okay, buffalo के baby को क्या बोलते हैं?
Buffalo के baby को हम calf बोलते हैं.
And where does buffalo live?
Like cow, buffalo also lives in a shed.
Okay, buffalo कहाँ रहती है?
बफलो भी शेड में रहती है.
Okay, and what is the sound of a buffalo?
The sound of a buffalo is moo moo.
Okay, buffalo की sound क्या होती है?
Buffalo की sound moo moo होती है.
And what buffalo gives us?
Like cow, buffalo also gives us milk.
Okay, गाय की तरह buffalo यानी भैंस भी हमें milk देती है. Okay, kids, now look. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a goat.
Okay, this is a goat. Goat को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
गोट को हम हिंदी में बकरी बोलते हैं.
And what is the baby of a goat called?
The baby of a goat is called kid.
गोट के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
गोट के बेबी को kid बोलते हैं.
And where does goat live?
Goat lives in a pen.
गोट कहाँ पे रहती है?
गोट पेन में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a goat?
The sound of a goat is bleat.
Okay, क्या होती है गोट की sound?
गोट की sound bleat होती है.
And ma'am, what goat gives us?
Goat gives us milk.
Okay, so that means these are all milk-giving animals. Buffalo, cow, goat. ये सब हमें क्या देते हैं? Milk. Okay, kids. Now look. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a sheep.
Okay, this is a sheep. Sheep को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Sheep को हम हिंदी में भेड़ बोलते हैं.
And what is the baby of a sheep called?
The baby of a sheep is called lamb.
Okay, sheep के बेबी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Sheep के बेबी को हम lamb बोलते हैं.
And where does sheep live?
Sheep lives in a fold.
Okay, sheep कहाँ पे रहती है?
Sheep fold में रहती है.
And what is the sound of a sheep?
Like goat, the sound of sheep is also bleat.
Okay, goat की तरह sheep की भी sound क्या होती है? Bleat. And ma'am, what sheep gives us?
Sheep gives us wool.
Okay, sheep हमें क्या देती है?
Sheep हमें wool देती है.
Okay, kids, wool क्या होता है? ऊन. हम विंटर सीजन में वुलन क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं ना, स्वेटर्स, जैकेट्स, ये सब किससे बनते हैं? वूल से. और वूल हमें कौन देता है? शीप. Okay, kids. So, what are these?
These are all domestic animals.
Okay, kids, ये सब क्या है? Domestic animals. Okay, ma'am. Now let's sing a rhyme. Kids love to sing a rhyme. Right, kids? So, first of all, हम क्या बोलते हैं rhyme में? Title. चलिए मैम के साथ बोलेंगे. The title of our rhyme is Old MacDonald. Okay, kids? So shall we start? 1, 2, 3, start. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a mew mew here, with a mew mew there, here mew, there mew, everywhere mew mew. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow here, with a bow there, here bow, there bow, everywhere bow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here, with a neigh-neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some oxen, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some oxen, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good, kids. Clapping. So, kids, did you enjoy the rhyme? Yes, ma'am. राइट, हमें मजा आया ना राइम करके. अच्छा, अब हमने इस राइम में कौन कौन से एनिमल सुने? चलिए मैम के साथ देखेंगे. कैट,
Cat,
नेक्स्ट डॉग,
dog,
हॉर्स,
horse,
ऑक्स.
ox.
ओके किड्स, हमने इन राइम में ये डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स देखे. तो आज हम न्यू डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स के बारे में सीखेंगे. ओके किड्स, नाउ लुक. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a cat.
Okay, this is a cat. Cat को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Cat को हम हिंदी में बिल्ली बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a cat called?
The baby of a cat is called kitten.
Cat के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Cat के बेबी को हम kitten बोलते हैं.
And what is the sound of a cat?
The sound of a cat is meow meow.
Cat की sound क्या होती है?
Cat की sound meow meow होती है.
Okay, now kids, listen carefully. The sound of a cat. Okay, kids, did you heard the sound? किसकी sound थी ये?
Cat की.
Okay, so cat की sound क्या होती है? Meow meow. And ma'am, what cat likes to drink?
Cat likes to drink milk.
Okay, cat को milk drink करना पसंद होता है. And what cat likes to eat?
Cat likes to eat rats.
Okay, cat को rat यानी चूहा खाना पसंद होता है. हमने देखा है ना घर पे जब कैट आ जाती है तो किसको पकड़ के ले जाती है? चूहे को. राइट किड्स, चलिए जल्दी से मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a cat.
What is the baby of a cat called?
The baby of a cat is called kitten.
What is the sound of a cat?
The sound of a cat is meow meow.
Okay, and what cat loves to drink?
Cat loves to drink milk.
And what cat loves to eat?
Cat loves to eat rats.
Okay, kids. Now, our next domestic animal is, look.
Look.
Which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
Okay, this is a dog. Dog को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Dog को हम हिंदी में कुत्ता बोलते हैं.
And what is the baby of a dog called?
The baby of a dog is called puppy.
Okay, dog के baby को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Dog के baby को हम puppy बोलते हैं.
And where does dog live?
Dog lives in a kennel.
Dog कहाँ पे रहता है?
Dog kennel में रहता है.
And what is the sound of a dog?
The sound of a dog is bark.
Okay, dog की sound क्या होती है?
Dog की sound bark होती है.
Now kids, let's listen to the sound of a dog. Kids, did you hear the sound? Which animal sound is this?
The sound was of dog.
Okay, ये dog की sound थी. And kids, do you know dog is a very faithful and loyal animal.
It also guards our home.
Okay kids, वो हमारी घर की रखवाली भी करता है. कैसे करता है हमारी घर की रखवाली? जब कोई स्ट्रेंजर आता है ना हमारे घर में तो वो उस पे बाग करता है. स्ट्रेंजर कौन होते हैं? अजनबी जिन्हें हम जानते नहीं हैं। अब वो थीफ भी हो सकते हैं ना, कोई चोर आता है तो डॉग चोर पे भाग करता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है, राइट? ऐसे ही डॉग हमारे लिए बहुत लॉयल होता है। सो डॉग इज अ वेरी फेथफुल एनिमल। ओके किड्स, चलिए मैम के साथ रिवाइज करेंगे। विच डोमेस्टिक एनिमल इज दिस?
This is a dog.
What is the baby of a dog called?
The baby of a dog is called puppy.
Where does dog live?
Dog lives in a kennel.
And what is the sound of a dog?
The sound of a dog is bark.
Okay, and dog is a very faithful and loyal animal. It guards our home also. वो हमारी घर की रखवाली भी करता है. Okay, kids. Now look. Our next domestic animal is, which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
This is a horse. Horse को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Horse को हम हिंदी में घोड़ा बोलते हैं.
Okay, and what is the baby of a horse called?
The baby of a horse is called foal.
Okay, horse के baby को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Horse के baby को हम foal बोलते हैं.
And where does horse live?
Horse lives in a stable.
Horse कहाँ पे रहता है?
Horse stable में रहता है.
Okay, and what is the sound of a horse?
Sound of a horse is neigh.
Okay, horse की sound क्या होती है?
Horse की sound neigh होती है.
Okay, kids, now listen carefully the sound of a horse. Oh, kids, किसकी sound थी ये?
Horse की sound थी ना?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, and kids, what is a horse used for?
Horse is used for riding.
Yes, घोड़ा किस काम आता है?
घोड़ा सवारी करने के लिए काम आता है.
किड्स, हमने हॉर्स राइडिंग की है कभी? मैम, आपने हॉर्स राइडिंग की है?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, बहुत मजा आता है। और हॉर्स कैसे चलता है? टिक टिक टिक, राइट? हॉर्स राइडिंग करने में हमें बहुत मजा आता है। सो हॉर्स इज यूज्ड फॉर राइडिंग। चलिए किड्स, मैम के साथ जल्दी से रिवाइज करेंगे। Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
What is the baby of a horse called?
The baby of a horse is called foal.
Where does a horse live?
Horse lives in a stable.
What is the sound of a horse?
The sound of a horse is neigh.
And what is a horse used for?
Horse is used for riding.
Okay, kids. Now, next domestic animal is, look kids, which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
This is an ox. Ox को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Ox को हम हिंदी में बैल बोलते हैं.
Okay, and where does an ox live?
Like cow and buffalo, ox also lives in a shed.
Okay, ox कहाँ पे रहता है?
Ox shed में रहता है.
Okay, and what is the sound of an ox?
Sound of an ox is moo moo.
Okay, sound of an ox is moo moo. Now kids, let's listen to the sound of an ox. Kids, did you hear the sound? किसकी sound थी ये?
Ox की sound थी ना?
Yes. And ma'am, what is an ox used for?
Ox is used for plowing the field.
Okay, ox किस काम आता है?
Ox हल जोतने के काम आता है.
Right, kids? Ox is used for plowing. चलिए जल्दी से रिवाइज करेंगे मैम के साथ. Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
Where does an ox live?
Ox lives in a shed.
What is the sound of an ox?
The sound of an ox is moo moo.
And what is an ox used for?
Ox is used for plowing the field.
Okay, kids. तो आज हमने कौन कौन से सीखे एनिमल्स? जल्दी से मैम के साथ बोलेंगे. कैट,
Cat,
डॉग,
dog,
हॉर्स,
horse,
ऑक्सन.
ox.
Okay, kids. Now आज हम उनकी स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करेंगे. Okay? Okay. Now, kids. So, which domestic animal is this? Look at the picture.
This is a cat.
Now we will learn the spelling of cat. You have to speak with me. C
C
A
A
T.
T
C-A-T, cat.
C-A-T, cat.
C at cat.
C at cat.
C-A-T, cat.
C-A-T, cat.
Okay, kids. Now look. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a dog.
This is a dog. Now we will learn the spelling of dog. You all have to speak together. मैम देख रही है कौन बोल रहा है? D
D
O
O
G
G
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
Dog.
Dog, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
D-O-G, dog.
Okay, kids. Now look again. Look at the picture. Which domestic animal is this?
This is a horse.
This is a horse. Now, kids, we will learn the spelling of horse. Speak with me. H
H
O
O
R
R
S
S
E.
E
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
H-O-R-S-E, horse.
Okay, kids. Now. Look. Which domestic animal is this? Which domestic animal is this?
This is an ox.
This is an ox. Now we will learn the spelling of ox. O
O
X
X
O X ox.
O X ox.
Okay, kids. O X ox.
O X ox.
राइट ऑक्स की तो छोटी सी स्पेलिंग है. ऐसे हमने सारी स्पेलिंग्स आज लर्न की डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स की. ओके किड्स, सो हमें उन स्पेलिंग्स की बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, उन्हें लर्न करना है. ओके किड्स, चलिए मैम के साथ जल्दी से रिवाइज करेंगे. C-A-T कैट,
C-A-T cat.
D-O-G डॉग,
D-O-G dog.
H-O-R-S-E horse,
H-O-R-S-E horse.
O-X ox.
O-X ox.
ओके किड्स, सो हमें समझ में आया डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स कौन से एनिमल्स होते हैं जिन्हें हम पालते हैं और उन्हें हम पालतू जानवर भी कहते हैं. ओके किड्स, इसकी हमें बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. नाउ किड्स, okay, do you remember what we have done in our previous class in English?
Yes, ma'am. We did the concept of this and that.
Okay, concept of this and that. Okay, now tell me kids, when do we use this?
We use this when an object, only one object is near us.
Okay, हम this कब use करते हैं?
जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, बस एक ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास में होता है.
And when do we use that?
We use that when an object, only one object is far away from us.
Okay kids, हम that कब use करते हैं?
हम that तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट, बस एक ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर होता है.
Okay kids, तो दिस हम पास के ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए यूज करते हैं एंड दैट हम दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए यूज करते हैं. ओके किड्स, अब हम एग्जांपल्स के थ्रू देखेंगे, अच्छे से समझिएगा. नाउ किड्स लुक, व्हाट इज दिस?
This is a bat.
व्हाट इज दिस?
This is a bat.
ओके मैम, व्हाई हैव वी यूज्ड दिस हियर?
We have used this here because this is only one object and it is near us.
Yes.
So we have used this here.
हमने this क्यों यूज किया यहाँ पे? क्योंकि ये सिर्फ one object है और हमारे पास में है. That is why हमने this यूज किया है. Okay, now
So this is
a
bat.
Now, kids, look. What is that? Yes, kids, look. What is that? That is a bat. What is that? That is a bat. Okay, now tell me, हमने यहाँ पे that क्यों use किया है? Because this is only one object और वो हमसे far है. That is why we have used here that. That is a bat. Okay, kids? Now, जल्दी से देखेंगे. Look, kids, what is this?
This is a tree.
What is this?
This is a tree.
Okay, why have we used this here?
We have used this here because the tree is only one and it is near us. That is why we have used this.
हमने this क्यों यूज किया यहाँ पे? क्योंकि ट्री सिर्फ one है और हमारे पास में है और पास के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? This. Okay, kids, this is a tree. Now look. What is that? That is a tree. What is that? That is a tree. अब हमने यहाँ पे that क्यों यूज किया? Because the tree is only one object and is far from us. Tree सिर्फ one object है ना और हमसे दूर है. That is why we have used here that. That is a tree. Okay, kids? समझ में आया आपको? हमने this कब यूज किया? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमारे पास में था. that कब यूज किया हमने? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे दूर था. राइट? तो this हमें तब यूज करना है जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे नियर हो और that हमें कब यूज करना है? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हमसे फार हो. ओके मैम, what we have learned today?
We have learnt about domestic animals and the concept of this and that.
And we hope आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया. चलिए मैम, अब हम बच्चों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं. राइट? आप सबको एंजॉय करते हैं ना आंसर करते हुए? ओके किड्स. Now kids, who is going to tell me what is this? Yes, कौन आंसर करेगा मैम को? Raise your hand. Yes, Gaurik, unmute yourself. Yes, Gaurik. Gaurik, please repeat. Very good. This is a train.
Yes, very good. This is a train.
Okay, kids. Now look.
What is this? Who is going to answer? Come on, raise your hand. Hardik, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, we.
Tell.
This is a hut.
Very good. This is a hut. Clap for yourself.
Very good. Okay, kids. Now look. Now tell me, what is that? Who is going to answer? Come on. Yes, here. Unmute yourself. What is that? Yes, here. Quick. Good afternoon, here.
What is that?
This is a clock.
Very good, here. Beta, you have to use that. That is a clock. Because clock हमसे दूर है ना. That is why हमें क्या use करना है? That. That is a clock. Okay?
That is a clock.
Very good. Okay, now, who is going to tell me what is that? Yes, Himansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Yes, quick, Himansh.
Ma'am,
बोलो मैम को. That is
that is bottle.
That
water
is
bottle.
a bottle. Okay, Himansh, हमने यहाँ पे that क्यों यूज किया?
मैम वो दूर है इसलिए.
वो दूर है.
Very good, क्योंकि वो दूर है हमसे. Clapping. Okay, okay. Now,
What is this? Who is going to tell me? Raise your hand. Kritika, kindly unmute yourself. What is this?
This is a mug.
Very
Very
good.
good.
This is a mug.
Very
Clapping.
good. Okay, kids. Now, look, look, look. What is this? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, Nivan, unmute yourself. Yes, Nivan, unmute yourself.
This is a box.
Very good. Clapping. This is a box. Okay, 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 kids. Now tell me, what is that? Yes, raise your hands. What is that? Yes, Poshita, unmute yourself.
That is a baby toy.
Very good. Clapping. That is a baby toy. Very good. Okay, okay, okay. Now tell me, what is that? Raise your hand. What is that? Rianshi, unmute yourself.
That is a ball.
Very
That is a
good.
ball.
That is a ball. Very good. ओके किड्स, हमने दिस कब यूज किया? जब कोई थे ऑब्जेक्ट पास में था, और दैट कब यूज किया? जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दूर था. अच्छा, अब मैम को जल्दी जल्दी से बताएंगे. नाउ टेल मी, व्हिच एनिमल इज दिस? यस श्रेष्ठा, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
और good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
गुड आफ्टरनून.
This is horse.
This is horse.
Very good. This is a horse. Clapping.
Okay. What does a cow give? Who is going to answer? Come on, raise your hand. Bhumika, please unmute yourself. Bhumika?
Yes, Bhumika, quick, quick. Yes, who else wants to answer? Raise your hands.
Nipun? Kindly unmute yourself.
Cow.
Cow.
What does a cow give?
Cow kids होते हैं.
Yes.
Cow की बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Cow क्या देती है हमें?
बेटा, what cow gives us? Cow.
Fruit.
तो हमें पूरा सेंटेंस बोलना है. Cow gives us milk.
Cow हमें दूध देती है. Clapping.
Okay, kids. Now tell me, what is the sound of a dog? Dog की sound क्या होती है? Raise your hands. Arav, unmute yourself.
Good.
बताओ.
मुझसे पूछ रही है.
हाँ, मैम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. बताओ. बताओ.
Yes, Arav, मैम आपसे.
Dog.
This is a dog. Very.
Dog की sound क्या होती है?
Baba.
Bark, bark, right? The sound of a dog is bark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is going to tell me how many legs does a sheep has? Yes, who is going to answer? Tarun, kindly unmute yourself. Tarun, please unmute yourself.
4 legs.
Bolo.
Sheep has 4 legs.
Very good. Sheep has 4 legs.
Very
Clapping.
Okay, now who is
Let
going
us
to
see.
tell what cat likes to eat? Cat को क्या खाना पसंद होता है? Raise your hands. Ushna, unmute yourself.
Cat is eat to rat.
Cat is eat to rat. हम बोलना है cat loves to eat rat. उसे चूहा पकड़ना पसंद होता है ना? Very good.
Okay, now who will tell me goat को हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? Yes, raise your hand. Manav, please unmute yourself.
आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, बोलो मनु, क्या बोलते हैं गॉड को हिंदी में?
Buggy.
तीसरी बोलो।
Yes. Speak full sentence.
मनु, क्या बोलते हैं?
Buggy.
गोट को हम हिंदी में बकरी बोलते हैं. Very good. Okay. Now tell me what sheep gives us. Sheep हमें क्या देती है? Yes, Lubansh, unmute yourself.
Goat.
Sheep हमें गोट देती है. मैम पूछ रही है sheep क्या देती है?
Bull.
Bull देती है. Very good.
Okay, now who is going to tell me which animal is this? Yes, raise your hand. Raina, please unmute yourself. Yes, Raina, unmute yourself. Yes, anyone else who wants to answer? Prakhar, please unmute yourself. Yes,
Buffalo.
yes. This is the
Buffalo.
buffalo. Very
Very
good.
good. That means मैम हमारे बच्चों को तो बहुत अच्छे से डोमेस्टिक एनिमल समझ में आ गए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, kids. So आज हमने क्या सीखा about domestic animals? पालतू जानवर जिन्हें हम पालते हैं. And the concept of this and that. मैम this का भी यूज करते हैं.
We use this when an object, only single object, is near us.
And when do we use that?
We use that when an object, only one object is far away from us.
Okay, kids. अच्छा ये हमारी कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही हैं?
Live classes.
आप अपनी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस अपने स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो लिंक शेयर है उस पे या स्कूल के यूट्यूब चैनल पर भी जाके देख सकते हैं और उसे लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब भी करना है फॉर रेगुलर अपडेट्स. टिल देन किड्स, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.